Today I'm going to show you how you can manage your social media as well as your social media ad reports in the Social CRM AnyWare software. To manage your social media, you would go to the MarCom, which is short for Marketing Communications, and it will bring you to this Social Media Management tab. Under here, you can connect an unlimited number of social media accounts, and to do so, you would just have to use this button here that says plus socials. And these are all the different social media accounts you can connect. You can, of course, connect multiple of the same kind of account. For example, if you have 3 different Facebook accounts, that wouldn't be an issue. Right now, for this demo, we just have a Pinterest account connected. And once your account is connected, you can then plan and create content for that social media account. For this Pinterest account, this is all of our planned content. You can go into your planned content and edit it or clone it or delete it. You can also view your planned content in a calendar view, and you can view it by month or by week. You can filter through your content using these filters on the right-hand side. So you can filter by content type, status, and more. So let's say I wanted to create a new post. I could go to new post up here, and I could either create one from scratch, upload a post from a CSV, use social planner templates, use content AI, and more. I'm just going to create a new post from scratch. Once you do that, it'll bring you to this page here, and you'd have to select the account that you would want to post to. If you had multiple accounts connected, you could post to all of them at once. You can either type in your content from scratch or use content AI. If you use content AI, you can put in the key message for your post, the tone of voice for your post, and the goal for your post. So as you can see here, I just set the key message and the goal. I set the number of variations to 2, so that's however many variations the content AI will create for your post. You also have these extra options down here if you want to add additional instructions. You can set the tone of voice to professional or to one of these options. So I'll select friendly, and then you just press generate, and the content AI will generate content for you. So these are the different variations that the content AI came up with. You can stick with the first variation, which will show up under chosen content, or you can choose one of the other variations, and to do so, you just delete the chosen content and you would press copy for the variation that you want. You can then go in here and edit the variation if, for example, you only want one emoji or you wanted to change the hashtag to something else. And you can rate the AI content in order to improve it for the future. And then you would just press continue. And as you can see, it automatically gets added into the content. You can add attachments by either creating an image using AI or you can upload from your media storage. So I'm just going to choose this image here and you just insert the file. Down here, you would just have to add a title. And since it's a Pinterest post, you just have to select what border you're going to post it to. Then you can either choose to save that post for later, or you can choose one of these posting options. So you could post it now. You can schedule it to post at a specific time. You can send the post for approval. You can schedule recurring posts, or you could add it to a category queue. So I'm just going to save it for later. It'll say post created successfully. And then if you go back to list, it'll show up under your planned content here as a draft. Moving on to content, you can view all of your social media posts, which are grouped by content that was created through a CSV, recurring posts, any reviews, RSS posts. We also have this template library where any of your imported templates for your posts can live. And we have all of your posts waiting for approval, and then any category queue posts. In comments, you can view all of your comments for specific social media accounts. In a similar vein, statistics will have all of your statistics for all of your accounts, but you could drill down into your specific account by specifically selecting an account name here, or you can choose the social media type that you wanted to drill down into. So you can view your statistics for your Facebook accounts, Instagram accounts, LinkedIn, and more. And the statistics page will just show you important data such as the number of posts, the total likes, total followers, impressions. If you go down, you can see your social post performance, your engagement, your impressions, your link performance, top performing posts, engagement stats, gender demographics. And we also have social listening up here. So this will show you any social trends under different social media pages so that you can stay up to date with current events and trends. That's everything for the social planner. Now I wanted to quickly show you how you can manage your social media reports. So if you go to management reports, you can go to your Google Ads reports as well as Facebook ads reports to view statistics on your Google ads and Facebook ads. So down here, you'll see your impressions, clicks, conversions, and more data over here. On the bottom, you'll see your different specific campaigns and any stats related to those. You can search through your campaigns. You can click into a campaign and it'll show you even more information. So up here, it'll show you overall stats like your impressions, clicks, and conversions once again. And then you can view all your different ads under that campaign and all of these statistics for those ads here. Similarly, in the Facebook ads report, you will have a similar looking dashboard that you can scroll through. It's set up in the same way as the Google Ads reports. You can click into one of your campaigns to then view their statistics and the specific ads under those campaigns. And that was a brief overview of everything I wanted to show you for your social media management and your social media ads reports. Thank you for your time.